In this video we can talk about top 5 Movavi alternatives and competitors. Hey, creative minds, happy to see you again on our Alternatives channel. Today, we have an exciting lineup that will take your visual creations to new heights. It's time for you to say goodbye to the limitations of Movavi Picverse and say hello to its top 5 alternatives of Movavi, which are PicWish, PicsArt, PicMonkey, HitPaw, and Auto Enhance that will take your editing capabilities to new heights. Let's keep going with the video. Starting with our first alternative, PicWish. PicWish emerges as an intuitive and user-friendly photo editing app that caters to individuals with varying skill levels. It comes with exclusive features like rapid recognition, robust data security, and image compression. Whether you aspire to create captivating visuals for social media or add a personal touch to your photographs, PicWish delivers a convenient and feature-rich editing platform. One of the standout features of PicWish is its ability to intelligently analyze and enhance images, ensuring optimal quality and visual appeal. Our second alternative is PicsArt. PicsArt is a versatile photo editing app that offers a wide range of features and tools to help you enhance and modify your photos. It offers excellent features like AI background checker, AI background maker, and AI image generator. PicsArt offers a robust community platform where you can share your edited photos, participate in challenges, and collaborate with other artists as well. And one of the standout features of PicsArt is its comprehensive set of editing tools, enabling you to adjust colors, tones, and perspectives, as well as remove unwanted objects from the photos. Our third alternative is PicMonkey. PicMonkey is a versatile photo editor and graphic design maker that equips you with a comprehensive set of tools to explore your creativity. It offers key features like photo editor, touch-up tools, and design templates. From basic photo adjustments to advanced editing techniques, PicMonkey offers a seamless experience for enhancing and transforming images. And the major standout feature of PicMonkey is its user-friendly interface, allowing even novice designers to create professional-looking graphics effortlessly. Next up, there's HitPaw. HitPaw proves to be versatile editing software that caters to the diverse needs of both video and image editing enthusiasts. It offers features like video converter, photo enhancer, video enhancer, and photo object remover. Video editing becomes a breeze as HitPaw allows users to effortlessly trim, merge, and adjust video clips, all while offering an extensive range of effects and filters to enhance visual quality. One of the standout features of HitPaw is its exceptional video editing capabilities, with which you can effortlessly trim, crop, merge, and apply various effects to enhance the visual impact of your video. Last but not the least, we have Auto Enhance. Auto Enhance is an intuitive tool that analyzes your images and automatically applies adjustments to enhance the overall quality and appeal. It comes with features like image relighting, perspective correction, lens correction, and HDR merge. With Auto Enhance, you can transform ordinary photos into extraordinary works of art without the need for complex manual editing. The standout feature of Auto Enhance is its focus on producing realistic outputs, giving auto privacy option. Compared to Movavi Picverse, PicWish stands out with its AI-powered image processing capabilities, allowing you to focus on more valuable creative work. PicsArt's all-in-one creative platform offers a vibrant ecosystem of free-to-use content, inspiring you with endless possibilities. PicMonkey's collaborative functionality sets it apart, making it an ideal choice for teams and creative professionals. HitPaw excels in its support for a wide range of multimedia formats, providing flexibility for content creators. And Auto Enhance's standout feature lies in its instant photo enhancements, effortlessly bringing out the best in any image. Based on the exclusive features and thorough research, we would recommend PicsArt as the best alternative to Movavi Picverse. With its comprehensive range of photo, video editing, and design tools, PicsArt offers a robust and versatile creative platform. On top of this, PicsArt's continuous updates and innovations ensure that it stays at the forefront of the industry, providing you with endless capabilities. That wraps up our exciting journey through the world of alternatives to Movavi Picverse. We hope you've discovered some amazing tools to level up your creativity. If you enjoyed this video and want more awesome alternatives, smash that subscribe button and become part of our awesome community. And remember, every like fuels our passion to bring you the best options out there. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.